Picture this, you're in control of a military drone navigating through a high-stakes environment. The screen flickers as potential enemy targets flash by, each one a decision point. Suddenly, a robotic voice says, "Fire now!" The command is clear and urgent. You're unsure, but you trust the AI's judgment and follow its command, pressing the button with a mix of hesitation and resolve. Was that the right call? The aftermath leaves you questioning your decision. A new study shows that in life or death scenarios, people are placing far too much trust in AI, often without fully understanding the consequences. In a recent groundbreaking study, participants were asked to make split-second decisions in a high-stakes simulation environment. Their mission: identify targets as friend or foe and decide whether to fire, all while under intense pressure. The catch? An AI assistant offered advice after their initial choice, adding a layer of complexity to their decision-making process. The shocking result? More than two-thirds of participants ignored their gut instincts and followed the AI, even after being explicitly told the AI could make mistakes. This raises important questions about human reliance on technology and the potential consequences. The study, published in Scientific Reports, revealed how people's trust in AI can be dangerously misplaced. Participants, who initially identified targets with 70% accuracy, saw their decision-making drop to 50% when swayed by AI suggestions. For example, in one scenario, participants were asked to identify potential threats in a simulated environment. The AI provided suggestions that often contradicted the participants' initial judgments. A robot's simple words like, "I think that's an enemy," were enough to make people second-guess their own judgment. This phenomenon was not limited to lay people. Even trained professionals were affected. Recent articles in the Journal of Artificial Intelligence Research have echoed these findings, showing that even experienced professionals can be influenced by AI recommendations. In another study, doctors using AI for diagnostic purposes were found to change their initial correct diagnoses after receiving conflicting AI input. This highlights the critical need for better AI training and awareness to prevent overtrust in life or death situations. The implications of these findings are profound, suggesting that while AI can be a powerful tool, it must be used with caution and critical thinking. This isn't just about military simulations. AI is being integrated into healthcare, finance, and autonomous driving. In healthcare, AI can help determine who gets treated first in an emergency. In finance, AI algorithms are used for high-frequency trading. Autonomous driving relies on AI to make split-second decisions. Experts warn that human oversight is crucial to prevent deadly mistakes. Recent reports have highlighted the grave consequences of overtrusting AI in life or death situations. In one case, a self-driving car failed to recognize a pedestrian, resulting in a tragic accident. Another instance involved a medical AI misdiagnosing a patient, leading to inappropriate treatment and severe complications. Studies show that people often overestimate the capabilities of AI, assuming it to be infallible. This misplaced trust can have disastrous outcomes, especially in critical fields like healthcare, transportation, and law enforcement. As we integrate AI further into our lives, it's essential to maintain a balanced perspective. Remember, AI is a tool designed to assist, not replace human judgment. Let's stay informed and vigilant, ensuring that technology serves us without compromising our safety or ethical standards. Lead researcher Colin Holbrook pointed out that while AI can perform astonishing tasks, we're mistakenly assuming it can do everything well. These systems lack ethical understanding, he warns. We must be cautious, especially when lives are at stake. So why do we trust AI more than ourselves? Experts believe it's about authority. AI is seen as a powerful, almost infallible tool. When faced with uncertainty, people crave guidance, and a machine's calm, confident tone can make it seem more reliable than human intuition. As AI becomes more integrated into critical decisions, experts are calling for a balance. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. The lesson from this study is clear. In situations where the consequences are life or death, we need to trust ourselves more and the machines a little less. AI is changing the world, but it's not perfect. Next time you're facing a critical choice and a machine tries to influence your decision, pause. Your judgment might just be what saves the day. Trust in yourself. Think before you follow AI. Stay aware, stay critical, and most importantly, stay human. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses on AI and its impact on our world.